Ooh, okay. So we are officially back. I have the iPhone 12 Pro right here. It's probably blown out because of all the lights in here. We got the top down shot on the A7 III. Let's see if we can't get this dialed in. We'll hop into this. I think what we'll do is open up the accessories first, and then after that, we will take a look at the big boy, the iPhone 12 Pro. All right, cool. So first, let's dig into, how about the case? So it seems like the cases are about the same quality. It doesn't really feel like anything too different. You can see that it's got this like MagSafe strip in here. One of the things that I was super concerned about was that when I saw MKBHD's video on MagSafe accessories, when you stuck the MagSafe charger, which I've got right here, to the back of the phone, it didn't seem like the magnet was very strong at all. But then when I watched Your Average Consumer's video, when he stuck it to the back of the case, I don't know if there's like another layer of magnets in here that makes the connection a little bit stronger, but it just felt like it snapped a little bit more. The thing that you do need to keep in mind though, is that this thing will only work with Qi standard wireless charging stuff, so no Apple Watch charging here. I feel like that they definitely could have put that little divot to make the conduction or whatever charging it is on the iPhone work a little bit better, but you know, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, as I like to tell my second graders. Got one of those. But yeah, super excited to see. Let's see if it works. Oh man, that is a significant difference. You see that? It locks in there pretty good. It looks way different than what it did on the video, right? Yeah, it really snaps to that guy. That makes me feel a little bit better about the wallet too. Now I'm interested in getting the wallet. Let's get into what you actually came here to see, right into it, the moment we've all been waiting for. And you're greeted with the phone face down. You've got this beautiful camera module. Wow, it looks like a really clean looking phone. Oh, this feels so good in the hand. I am getting instant nostalgia from the feeling of this phone. It feels so good. You wanna hold it? This does it for me. This does it for me. Okay, so enough talking. Let's peel this bad boy off. Let me make sure I'm in frame. Ooh. You know, not as satisfying as normal. I think I missed the other plastic, but I get it. Apple is trying to be super environmental, so they're going with the paper. Power this bad boy on. Oh yeah, there's that Apple logo. Man, this is clean. Holy cow. It's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. I actually have screen protectors that are waiting in our mailbox, so I'm gonna definitely have to pick those up. Oh, that snaps to the back. Dude, that magnet is tight. Yeah. That is on there. I don't know if that was a review unit, but that's pretty strong. I'm happy with it. It's like, now you're gonna get about 15 watts of juice out of this, which is very close to the wireless chargers, those 18, 20 watt chargers that we were talking about before that were going to fast charge your iPhone. These are gonna get really similar speeds, but not quite as fast. First impressions on this thing, I'm super hyped. It makes you really feel like, you know, spending 60 bucks on a piece of rubber for your phone is actually worth it. So let's log in and see what those cameras look like. It's gonna take a few minutes. So while that is getting set up, we're 90 subscribers away from being able to monetize. So, you know, subscribe. Let's see, can you do a portrait selfie? Ooh, that's sharp. Ooh, that's sharp. I'm really here for it. So this has been the iPhone 12 Pro unboxing experience. I can't wait to take some more photos with this to really put this thing through its paces. But I'm super excited about it. Go out and get one. I think that definitely if you are a photographer, that it makes a real difference, right? Like normally I would not recommend, you know, shelling out the extra $200 for just the pro features that are here. But if you are a photographer or a videographer, it's gonna be worth it because remember, you're always going to shoot with the camera that's in your pocket, and this key light is getting on my nerves. This has been two black creators. Peace.